Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can enable gold notes on Instagram. So first up here, make sure that your application is updated. So if your app is not updated yet, you just have to go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram application. So from here, for example, open up your App Store, and then from here, you want to search for Instagram app, and then you just have to tap on the update button. And once done, tap on open button. Now here, as you can see, to celebrate the Paris Olympics, Instagram is having some fun with their notes function, but you need to use the right keywords to basically use the gold notes. So here are the terms that will turn your notes into gold. So as you can see here, just have to use all the words or the emojis here to basically enable the goal notes. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.